My name is Raymond Zachary Rush, and I'll be talking about my project today. While I'm talking about my project, you may look at the 3D model while I am talking. So, again, my name is Raymond Zachary Rush, and I'll continue right now. Okay. The eastern lowland gorilla makes its home in the eastern DRC, Africa. Rebels and poachers invade the forest and parks. For this slide, the gorilla's prey and predators are humans, other animals, or anything small. Protecting gorillas. Okay. A group named Congolese Wildlife Authorities, or known as the ICCA, staff monitor gorillas and record details about their biology, where they live, or their habitat. Okay, so partner groups helped the park to take control over the park again by rehabilitating patrol posts, training guards in anti-poaching and law enforcement techniques, and working with local contacts to clarify park boundaries. For the fun facts, for number 1, we have this. We humans share our DNA with gorillas. For number 2, gorillas are nice and kind. For number 3, the eastern lowland gorilla is distinguished by its stocky body and probably for other reasons. For number 4, its scientific name is the gorilla beringigrau. So, and that's its scientific name. You may now watch the video that is in front of you.
The largest primates in the world. One of the largest subspecies of the great apes, the eastern lowland gorilla is one of 2 species of gorilla living in Africa. They are an endangered species, with recent estimates placing the count at about 5,000 individuals left in the wild. These gorillas are vulnerable to poaching, and they fall victim to the results of civil unrest in their territory. Eastern lowland gorillas are the largest primates in the world. They are also known as Grauer's gorilla after the scientist who discovered them. They are one of the most intelligent species of primates. They are the second most endangered subspecies of gorilla. A group of eastern lowland gorillas is called a troop, and they are led by a large adult male known as a silverback gorilla. These gorillas are massive, as they are the largest species of primate on Earth. Males are typically larger than females, and the species clocks in at about 450 to 500 pounds. That means that the eastern lowland gorillas weigh a little less than a vending machine. These gorillas can be 5 to 6 feet tall. They have large heads in comparison to the rest of their bodies, as well as strong jaws and teeth. Like other gorillas, they have a thick coat of dark fur save for their faces and hands. They prefer to walk around on their knuckles. For added protection and warmth, gorillas have a thick layer of dermis and epidermis, or inner and outer layers of skin. They also have a significant amount of fat on their bodies. Gorillas are social animals, and the eastern lowland gorilla is no exception. The distribution of gorillas is in tight-knit family groups called troops or bands. These troops travel, feed, and raise their young together. The troops are led by a large male gorilla, called a silverback. They also contain 2 or 3 female gorillas and their young, and can also include a few subordinate male gorillas. Though the troops are usually small, researchers have recorded groups as large as 30 individuals. Rarely, there are 2 silverback leaders in a group. Gorillas spend most of their days eating and, contrary to popular belief, are not aggressive or territorial creatures. Though the silverbacks do have a dominant leadership position, which includes mating with females and being alert to threats, they are also in charge of practical decisions. These include deciding where the group feeds, travels, and sleeps. These apes are usually quiet, but they are capable of vocalizing in many different ways. Over 25 various vocalizations have been recorded. Eastern lowland gorillas communicate using hoots, growls, barks, screams, and laughs. Each of these has a distinct meaning. Gorillas are one of the most intelligent species of primates. They can even be taught sign language and have been known to use tools to better access food. This species of gorilla lives in the eastern region of the Democratic Republic of the Congo, DRC. They thrive in the tropical lowlands and rainforests. Their range has decreased drastically in the last few decades. The distribution of gorillas is also much more sparse because of habitat fragmentation. They used to inhabit a range of about 8,000.
Okay, so you may see the links unless there's another slide up here. Is there? Okay, so this is the end. I hope you liked it, and I hope you liked my 3D model, of course, you know. So I really hope you like it. If you have any questions, you may raise your hand. If you don't, you may not. So this is my project. I am Raymond Zachary Rush Dramino.